Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today we present you 50 beautiful retro historical photos. We hope you will appreciate our work. Write your comment and click the subscribe button. Enjoy the show, and here we go. The beautiful Maria Whittaker, 1989. August 1941. Son of Mr. Nichols, defense worker from Cass City, Michigan, now living in a trailer at Edgewater Park near Ypsilanti. Mr. Nichols works in the Ford bomber plant. March 1942. Chicago, Illinois. Provident Hospital. Dr. S.J. Jackson, intern, ready to assist in an operation. August 1941. Defense worker who is on night shift. During the day he works on the new home which he is building. Detroit, Michigan. August 1941. Child buying bottle of milk. Duluth Milk Company. Duluth, Minnesota. August 1941. Farmer at Black Earth, Wisconsin. August 1941. Town Square, Woodstock, Illinois. August 1941. Building in Ewan, Michigan, former lumber town on the Upper Peninsula. August 1941. FSA borrower working on accounts. Itasca County, Minnesota. July 1941. Packing butter cut into squares for use in restaurants. Land O'Lakes Plant, Minneapolis, Minnesota. August 1941. Blasting crew in the Danube Iron Mine, Bovey, Minnesota. August 1941. Girl who sells pieces of ore and Iron Range souvenirs to tourists. Hibbing, Minnesota. August 1941. Loading dump truck with iron ore at the Albany Mine, Hibbing, Minnesota. Use of trucks was initiated in this mine 2 years ago, and railroad tracks removed. Trucks were found more economical and can climb the steep grade in much shorter time. December 24, 1941. Washington, D.C. Greyhound bus terminal on Christmas Eve. Little girl waiting. (1963). Alan Ludden and Betty White, co-starring in Lerner Loewy's hit musical Brigadoon, at the Gladiators Music Arena in Totowa, New Jersey, now through Sunday, July 14th. October 15th, 1936. Washington, D.C. Protection against that dreaded disease silicosis is assured underground workers with this new sandblasting helmet developed by William P. Biggs, safety engineer of the Navy Department. Weighing only 43 ounces, the helmet has been tested for nearly a year in various naval stations throughout the country. June or July 1926. Washington, D.C., or vicinity. NO caption, man lying in front of train on tracks. Perhaps some diligent Shorpy sleuth can figure out what's going on here. Washington, D.C., 1918. Liberty Loan Bonds Bureau of Engraving and Printing. Financing the war effort. October 23, 1959. Bloomingdale's, Hackensack, New Jersey. China and Glass Department. Raymond Loewy, client. American model Francine York photo shoot in 1962. January 25, 1956. Prudential Insurance Company, Newark, New Jersey. Entrance detail from across Broad Street. June 1941. Residential section. Milwaukee, Wisconsin. August 1941. Farmers and Beer Parlor on Sunday afternoon. Finnish community of Bruce Crossing, Michigan. August 1941. Child drinking milk. Duluth, Minnesota. August 1941. Children of Mexican sugar beet workers on porch of one of the houses at Saginaw Farms, Michigan. August 1941. Albany Iron Mine, Hibbing, Minnesota. A Bucyrus Model 54B electric shovel. August 1941. Front porch. Elgin, Illinois. November 1939. Cotton fallen from wagons on way to gin along Main Highway. Mississippi Delta near Clarksdale. August 1941. Sunday afternoon. Farm boys in front of beer parlor in the Finnish community of Bruce Crossing, Michigan. August 1941. Isidore La Victoire, French-Canadian dairy farmer near Rutland, Vermont, and children gathering hay. August 1940. Mauch Chunk, Pennsylvania. Small historic coal mining town in the Lehigh Valley. Houses in East Mauch Chunk. August 1940. Family in Mauch Chunk, Pennsylvania. August 1940. Two women living on the main street of Upper Mauch Chunk, Pennsylvania. August 1940. Street in Upper Mauch Chunk, Pennsylvania. January 1941. Angara Bedian, Russian girl married to Armenian vegetable gardener in Andover, Massachusetts. Her husband works as a truck driver in Lawrence in the winter. November 1941. View of Greensboro, Greene County, Georgia, on a Saturday afternoon. August 1941. One of the children of Albert Lynch, FSA client of Dummerston, Vermont. (1906). Bay Street, Nassau, Bahama Islands. New York circa 1904. Wilcox Gibbs Building, Broadway and Bond Street. New headquarters of the Wilcox Gibbs Sewing Machine Company, which will return to this building on or about February 1st. New York circa 1903. Hotel Gregorian Palm Court Cafe. (1904). Marion County Courthouse, Indianapolis, Indiana. This Second Empire Colossus met its Waterloo in 1962. August 1941. Children of a dairy farmer near Rutland, Vermont. October 1939. Six-man football played in high school at Green Hills, Ohio. April 1940. Old Orpheum Theater, Dubuque, Iowa. Today's double feature, Adventure in Diamonds and Viva Cisco Kid. September 10, 1957. Integrated classroom at Anacostia High School, Washington, D.C. Los Angeles, 1954. Walt Disney with Mickey Mouse stuffed toy astride large world globe. Color transparency from photos by Earl Tyson for the Look magazine assignment. Here's your first view of Disneyland, a year before it opened in Anaheim. November 1953. Scrabble inventor Alfred Butts promoter James Bruno posed with oversized game. March 1942. Alfred McMillan, Pullman porter resting in the men's washroom aboard the Capital Limited bound for Chicago. Bonus photo for you, a beautiful retro woman. Mamie Van Doren in a charming 1955 photo shoot. This is the end of our performance. We hope you enjoyed it and appreciate our work. See you in the next performance. Have a good day.